Hi, I'm Kim Johnston, and I'm going to show you how to change a reverse mount all-terrain truck tire on the Rotary R146 Super. The first thing we're going to do is put the plastic jaw protection on our turntable jaws. This will prevent damage from the face of the wheel. Then we're going to grab our tire and we'll break the bead. Then we'll go to the front, being sure not to damage our tire pressure monitor. Now we'll bring it over here to the wheel lift. And remember, it's a reverse mount, so we're going to put the face of the wheel down. All right, now we'll use our assist arm to press on the center of the wheel to push it down to make sure that the clamps grab the wheel itself and not the tire. And you can just kind of peek under there and see where your jaws are. Then you can hit your pedal, clamp your wheel, pull your assist arm up out of the way. So now we're gonna need to lube this bead. And I'm going to use my press arm to get to this part. Now I'll bring my mount head in. Make sure to set this so our mount head's not actually touching our wheel. So now we'll use the bead lifting bar to pull the bead up. So now we'll peel this top bead off. Now this is a pretty big tire, so for me to be able to get my bar down in there for this bottom bead, I'm gonna need help holding the tire in the drop center. So I'm gonna use the bead lifter to help me get this kind of up and make it easier for me to get to this next bead. So if you just take your time, dismounting these tires isn't a big deal. All right, so here's our new tire. We're gonna go ahead and lube both beads. And then I'm going to use my wheel lift because this is a large, heavy tire. And then I'm going to bring my mount head into place for my first bead. Should go on pretty easy. Over the back, under the front. Pretty simple. Now we're going to do the same thing with the top bead, only this time I'm going to use this bead roller to help me, and then I'll use my press arm also. And I'm just going to put it about right here for now, and we'll start to spin the tire. And you'll see our bead roller forces it underneath the front of the mount head. And if we start to lose our flexibility here, I can move this assist arm, keep this in the drop center, and go ahead and push it the rest of the way around. Very simple. I'll get that out of the way. I'll remove my mount head and then take it to the cage to air up or air it up here on the machine.